Hi, queens. You're a queen, and you're a queen. Anywho, do you know that pesky itch that just won't go away? That one that. Okay, basically, the last time nilishukwa was like 3 weeks ago. This year is almost a month, but I've started itching so badly. You know that itch of. Okay, you get the point. I'm going to help you get rid of it, and we're going to do it right now. All you need is a spray bottle with warm water. It helps lift the dirt off your scalp, and a spray bottle, it's easier for application. And the secret ingredient, tea tree oil. Yay! Why tea tree oil? Because it's antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, anti-inflammatory, and all those antis you know. It treats dry scalp, dandruff, prevents hair loss, boosts hair growth, and apparently it also treats head lice. Imagine that. Basically, it's just that dry scalp, product buildup, sweat. That's why you're itching, and sometimes it can be even malassezia, but that's for another day. That's another topic. So we are going to take our spray bottle, just a bit of warm water, not hot, warm, please people, warm, follow instructions. And then you see this bottle top, I'll fill it to the brim. There's no correct or wrong measurement. I just go with it. I'll do 2 of them because why not?
This is our concussion.
And you start spraying.
Make sure you get everywhere, but not too much water. Just not too much, and then it's bleeding all over. So it's bleeding bad. You just want to do it on your scalp and not on the hair itself, because you're targeting the scalp. It's working already.
Now, if you don't have a spray bottle, you can use a bucket and just put warm water in it and a white cloth or any cloth, but at least let it be a light color so that you see the dirt coming off. Then you want to massage. Get it in there. Oof.
Let's get this sorted. So massage everywhere.
And the best part is that your hair will smell like tea tree oil. Who doesn't want that? Kwanza on old braids, you guys. This is just fantastic. I've done this method so many times and it has worked wonders. I stopped itching completely. And the best part, you don't even have to get your braids wet, just your scalp. I'm going to drench my cloth with warm water just to make it easier to get in there and remove the dirt. Hey, 1 second. Hiya, I'm back. It's wet with just like hot water, not hot yenye inanichoma kwa scalp, just manageable temperature. And then you want to get in there braid by braid.
Toyo chafu. Need to work here. Massage that scalp. People massage it.
I've been doing this for a while and I want you to see how effective it is. So if you don't want to see that scalp dirt, skip to mbele. But look, are you seeing this? Are you seeing the power of tea tree oil and hot water? Okay, warm water, not hot, warm water. Look! And my scalp is feeling fresh and clean. And these braids will go another week. Hey, my friend, that's how you survive. They have to survive another week. I'll just repair here in front without rebreeding. But yeah, that's it. Look, guys. When it's damp or semi-dry, you want to go in with a light oil. Me, I'm going to use coconut because it's a really light oil. And just seal that moisture in my hair. I want to seal it in the hair. And yeah, that's it. And I've seen other YouTubers use water and apple cider vinegar. So if you don't have tea tree, you can try it out. I don't know if it works, but the YouTuber I saw it, she swears by it, and I've seen reviews in her comment section that people have tried it and it has worked for them. So I'm going to link that video in the description below. Just know you can use tea tree oil. Tea tree oil I've used 1,000 times and it has worked pretty well all the time. And if you don't have tea tree oil, you can use apple cider and with water, remember. So you go watch her video. Yeah, I hope it helps. What else? That is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more hair videos and for me. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Otherwise, thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll be singing for you and dropping for you every day. Yo, please don't unsubscribe.